Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to use Waze apps on your phone easily guys. Alright guys, so as we know together that Waze is powered and used by drivers all over the world, and drivers connect to one another and work together to improve each other's driving experience as a community-based traffic and navigation apps guys, or you can use in order to mapping. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, now let's do the tutorial. Okay, the first thing first, now you can go to Waze apps on your phone like this, and then now you can mark your house. You can just click about home over here, and then now you can enter your home address, and this is for example I wanna add this one, and then so yeah, now you can click home again, and then the Waze will calculating the route for you, and then so yeah, here's the route, the best route to go to home from your location. Or you can also use it as a map as usual guys. And then so yeah, here's the best route for the destination, and then here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys.